Ah, need my caliper. Ah, gosh. Ah! Helmer. So, Helmer from IKEA. Built cheap as possible, like a World War II last-ditch rifle or submachine gun or something like that, all stamped and band sheet metal. All in all, I think a total only of 12 screws in here. And yeah, okay, these are not, the handles are not sheet metal. It is, okay, the ground is not even here, the floor. It works astonishingly good. I mean, this is just metal on metal sliding here. I didn't bend these latches, which should prevent the drawers from coming out completely, but if you do that, they stop a little over halfway, so not even 2/3 out, which is inconvenient. So yeah, I will be careful. So it stands tall at exactly 69 centimeters. So it will fit, hopefully, under my desk. Yes, it does, for 5mm space. It's 41 centimeters deep. And it's, yeah, 28 centimeters wide. The effective width of the drawers is actually, yeah, 23 centimeters. So you're losing only 5 centimeters. And the effective depth of the drawers is, yeah, let's say 38 centimeters. So in depth you are losing only 3 centimeters, really, for storage space. And each drawer is about, yeah, let's say 9.5 centimeters in height. So yeah, usage of space is quite effective, and yeah, I mean, the drawers are reasonably, I wouldn't put in 10 kilos or 11 or 21 pounds. That would be probably too much, but yeah, it's working. And not to forget, here in Germany, it's only 30 bucks. And yeah, the rollers don't rotate. Yeah, but hell, for 30 bucks, that much metal, yeah. And if you like a little puzzle, building the thing up, I think it's okay. Calipers. Huh. I put them there. No. Gosh. Oh, where are they?